Hi everyone, this is Khanduja. Students and parents, in the given session, we would discuss what are the steps that you need to take once you have done the KEA registration. Okay, so this channel, it's for Karnataka State Counseling videos, deemed medical colleges counseling videos. You can subscribe if you haven't subscribed until now. Okay, so once you are registered for Karnataka State Counseling for medical seats, okay, then what are the steps that we need to follow? That are the things that we are going to discuss in this session. You can be from Karnataka, you cannot be from Karnataka, you may be class A, you may be class Y. Everyone's steps I would share in this particular video. Okay, so as you know, Karnataka registration started in the month of January, Feb also. So at that time, there were no UG NEET roll number with those candidates. So the candidates that have already registered, mostly those are from Karnataka, the KEA would share a roll number addition link. Okay, there would be a link. With the help of that link, you can mention your UG NEET roll number, and then your registration will be fully completed. Even though you have paid the fees, you are already registered, but these UG NEET roll number had to be added. Okay, so the link would be shared, I guess, most probably after 24th, 25th July. Then KEA would release a merit list. It can release the merit list prior to that addition link also. Last year, they have released it before the addition of roll number. Okay, the merit list is based on the NTA data, like the students that have mentioned Karnataka domicile in their NEET UG form. Their result in terms of their position in Karnataka is released in a merit list. Okay, like for example, your rank may be 37,000 in all India, but you might be 2100 or 2000 rank in Karnataka State Counseling. So that is a very important factor. State ranks help us to calculate our chances in government seats. Okay, because there our competition are only Karnataka domicile candidates, not other state candidates. Okay, so up till now, the major thing was this merit list and roll number addition link. Now the students, as you know, you haven't uploaded any documents, but documents are very important when you are applying for Karnataka counseling government seat, St. John's Roman Catholic seats. So there should be a verification process. Like how would they know if you just have click RC7? How would the KE know that you are RC7 candidate? There needs to be a verification also. So in-person verification happens for St. John's, NRI award candidates, minority candidates, and clauses that are B, C, D. Okay. In rare cases, clause A is asked to visit Karnataka, Bangalore, KEA Bangalore. But all the remaining categories that have utilized a reservation, which would give them a upper hand in getting a seat, are required to do in-person document verification, mostly at KEA Bangalore office. Okay, if you are not from Karnataka, you are just other state candidates applying for 12 lakh per annum open seat, then there is no verification required for you. Okay, now there is a Kannada language test also for this clause C and clause D category. One test has already taken place, one more test would take after C. Some students that are in clause C, clause D would register in the second portal, second window. So they also need to give this Kannada language test. I guess 12 numbers are required to get passed out of the 50. Okay, so this test is required, and post this test, other candidates like clause B, clause C candidates, clause D candidates, okay, remaining clause candidates are required to do their document verification. So only clause Y and in some cases clause A are not asked to do document verification in person in KEA office Bangalore, while remaining candidates are requested. That has been the trend from the last few year counseling. It would be a very good thing if they provide a online option, but previous year trends is that you need to go in person to KA office. In case of St. John's, to St. John's office, okay, to prove Roman Catholic 1, Roman Catholic 2 categories, or to prove that you are linguistic minority, Tamil minority, the documents that are required are checked in person. Okay, so that is a very important step. So please keep on visiting KA UG NEET website, and also you can join my Telegram. Okay, Manas Khanduja 1430. There also I share these updates. Okay, basically in UG, I am dominantly do Karnataka State Counseling, as you can see from my previous videos. Then second is my deemed medical college counseling, and at last I also do UP State Counseling. Now there is this mock allotment. Now if you are a PCMB student in Karnataka, you see UGCET also follow the similar rules, because that is also handled by KA. Now, what is a mock allotment? Mock, I guess you all know what is mock. Like if before NEET UG exam, if some coaching gives you a 720 examination paper just to get what you can score, that is a mock exam. In Karnataka, before your actual round one, there is this mock allotment. I would refer it as round zero. Like if a candidate just want Bangalore based colleges, his rank is 88,000. He write all the Bangalore based colleges in round one, their cutoffs came down to be 67,000. Now he cannot change it. So mock allotment gives you an idea what can happen in round one at your choices. Would you be able to get most of them or you would need to add? Okay, so mock allotment is to give you an idea how things are gonna happen, how trends are gonna be there in round one. So post that you can alter, you can change, you can delete, but mock allotment cannot be the final round one allotment. You get MS Ramaya and mock allotment, you are preparing already for MS Ramaya, you are celebrating, but mock allotment result can change. Okay, because students would be changing their options. So it is just to give you an idea. It is not an actual allotment. It gives you an idea where you are in terms of ranking in Karnataka, in terms of your choices. Your priority is B.R. Ambedkar, but you are maybe 5,000 behind its closing rank. Your priority is St. John's Bangalore, your rank is 19,000, its closing rank is 8,000. So that gives you an idea regarding the mock. So after mock allotment, you can change. That was a rule in 2025. Okay. And the mock allotment is currently also going in UG CET counseling. So they may repeat it in UG NEET also. Now, this is a critical rule. That's why we need mock allotment, one-time option entry. Now, if this was not happen, like mostly what two candidates do, they just write Bangalore-based colleges. Their rank is 1,15,000. They just write Bangalore-based colleges. What they get? Nothing in the round one. Now they cannot add any other option because in Karnataka, you can alter, you can delete your choices post round one, but you cannot add any new college. If you are open to just Bangalore in round one, then you need to keep that strategy in round two also, because Karnataka counseling does not allow you to add a new college. If a new college comes, then you can add it. But in rare cases only, Karnataka allows any new addition in round second. So if I have written 5 colleges in round one, then those 5 colleges would remain in round second only. I cannot make it 6. I can make it 4. I can change the order, but the number of colleges would remain 5 only. Okay, so that is about one-time option entry. Hence, mock allotment is very much helpful. If someone is optimistic, has written only few colleges, then it would give them an idea. If someone is pessimistic, has written 100 colleges, gets his first priority, then mock allotment gives them an idea. So mock allotment and one-time option entry are correlated. Okay, now post-allotment process, actually Karnataka State Counselling releases the rules of post-allotment process. In most cases, if you get a seat, you need to pay the fees, then only you can go for an upgrade. Okay, there is an option for free exit. There are no caution deposit involved. Caution deposit is asked in round second. So post allotment process, I would share once actual voucher is released, because they sometimes change some steps in post allotment. But one-time option entry and mock allotment is currently going on in UG CET counseling also, which is also held by KE. Okay, so I do single call based session counseling. If you want to discuss about Karnataka State Counseling, your possibility, what are the good colleges, what are the worst options, Alamein, Kananchor, should we go for SR Patil or rank is very poor? Okay, we are open to 22 lakhs per annum. Can we try Dayanand Sagar or PES? All those things can be discussed in that single call based session, which can be booked via above WhatsApp number. There is no call support there is no chat support available. You just write your doubt, I cannot answer. You need to take a proper call session. Okay, for that you need to text, like you can ask for a slot and I would provide that slot in which we can have one-on-one discussion. Okay, so all the best for your Karnataka State Counseling. This was Manus Khanduja. You can join my Telegram and you can subscribe to this channel if you want regular videos regarding KEA counseling.